Hey guys, very quick video here. We're at the Walt Disney World store, one of the only ones that exist now after they got rid of all the other ones. This is right off of International Drive, so there's International Drive. It's basically just like a small store that you can just get some Disney merch in the area. Although the Disney Character Warehouse is very close, so that's probably the better place to go because everything's discounted. But here's where like the, like kind of like in stock, normal like 50th merch and everything else is. So let's take a look and see what's inside. And here's the outside of the building that's just kind of beckoning you in. And it's like a giant parking garage here and like an Ava Center. But then the actual store is just like at the front up there. And parking is like a little weird. Like a lot of this is Avis, but we just like found a spot in the back. So yeah. Yeah, so here's an overview of the store. And right here, you can actually kind of like rest and recharge your phone, kind of chill out. If you can walk around the area a bit. That's nice. So this is for Disney Vacation Club. I mean, anyone can use it, but it's kind of like advertising Disney Vacation Club. And you basically can select a resort and then kind of like change the room based on that. So right now, we're looking at Aulani, and you can actually do like a 360 room tour. So let's check out like a 3-bedroom grand villa. That changes everything. So now we can actually go around and explore in 360 space. This is really cool. Like, yeah, this is like pretty immersive. I mean, especially on video, it kind of like looks like you're in the room. Can we go on the balcony? Yeah, we can. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is really cool.
Do they have the same grand villa we were in?
And just doing it here.
We were in a higher one.
I don't know.
I think we were like the penthouse one.
Yeah. This looks like one below the top floor. Whoa, that's going fast. Okay. So yeah, just kind of wanted to show this off, and then we can go back. We can go back to main menu. All resorts. What else we have? Grand Floridian. I kind of want to see like let's check out Animal Kingdom Lodge. So that was like a welcome video. Ooh.
What if the magic of one Disney vacation was just the beginning?
Nice.
You could return year after year to a home in the heart of it all. Where fairy tales come
Okay,
to
I
life.
know. I'm already a DVC member. You don't have to get me again. Photo gallery. Okay, so this is not like specific to Animal Kingdom. I just want to see like the... Is there a room tour for Animal Kingdom or no? Oh, okay, so there's no room tour for that. So is it only for Aulani?
Riviera, Grand Floridian.
Riviera, there is one for Riviera.
Probably the only ones that they're currently still selling contracts for.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Well, we're gonna be at the Grand Floridian soon. Let's see, I don't know, let's just see what our room's gonna look like.
That's not their room.
Oh, we're not?
No, this is Lux Studio. We're staying in our resort.
Well, whatever. Let's go forward. Whoa, okay, that was a little too forward, but all right. Anyway, that's cool. Just wanted to check that out. I can kind of show it off. Again, I don't think there's really anything else here. I don't think there's any like unique merch or anything. I mean, this is basically like the whole store. It's cool, like it's well themed. Like I really like that back panel. You know, this looks nice. That's cool. But yeah, just kind of like the normal generic merch. They have a little bit of everything. They have some Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar. I mean, you can read. So they have like a little bit of everything, which is nice. And I guess they just kind of wanted a presence here where tourists kind of walk around the area. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show that off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.